Look at this. What the f? I don't know if you can see it right now, but up in the clouds right there, that's where we're going. Oh yeah, you definitely can't see it, but somewhere up in here is a dormant volcano, which we are going to go to tonight. Apparently it's like one of the greatest places on the planet to watch the sunset. So you can actually hike up through the crater. It's like 11 miles to get to the top, but it's actually a national park, so they don't let dogs hiking through the trails, but they do allow dogs in like the parking lot and like main areas. So we're just gonna drive all the way up. Here she is. There she is. What's special about this hike and this vlog is that for the first time I'm gonna be using the Sony A7S3, which is what we're filming on now. This is like the first 5 seconds of me using it. I'm excited to try out this camera and see if this is going to be my next future camera. I'm not gonna talk about the camera again. I'm just gonna see how the images look throughout the video and see how it plays out. Probably make a separate video about how I feel about the camera later. Definitely should leave now, get up there. It takes an hour and a half to drive up there, but yeah. Is anybody else just like totally obsessed with Google Maps? Like I'll spend like all day just like checking out places I've never heard of on Google Maps. So here's Maui, and right here is the volcano. This is where we're headed. Volcano is called Haleakala, is responsible for creating 75% of the island of Maui. It's one of 2 volcanoes. It's actually dormant right now. Last time it erupted was, I think, 1600, but apparently it's supposed to erupt again in the future. But because it's a shield volcano, it's not like explosive, so I think if it does erupt, we'd be good where we live, maybe. I'm not sure. Apparently it's freezing cold up there, so got to pack a sweatshirt or something. Sweatshirt. Some pants. Rather die than wear pants in Hawaii. I think we're ready. Anna's ready. You're really excited to go to Haleakala? She's definitely excited. She's gonna love the cold air. Ugh, trying to chug a hot coffee on a hot day right now.
Iced coffee's worth that.
Ugh, fucking torture.
Comment iced hot coffee or hot.
Don't do that. Oh, I'm gonna put myself. Ooh, look at Anna. Looking like a baddie. Ooh.
Shake it. Shake it, girl.
I'm gonna make a mind if it takes all night.
Gonna make a mind if it takes all night. Literally looks like we're in Scotland right now. Look how high up we are right now. It's just like in the clouds.
Feels so crystal.
Doesn't it? It's time for the sweatshirt already. Yeah, not used to the cold anymore. Cuts. Stop. It's not a sponsored video.
You look hot.
Huh?
You look hot.
Stop. You can
Danny.
You can flip it around.
Yeah,
We're not even at the top yet. Look at this. I'd ever need the heated seats in Hawaii, but here we are. We just made it to the summit. What do you see this view? Literally unreal. This is easily, is that like a top #1 view of all time up here. It's literally, I don't think I've ever been standing on ground and been above like just tons of clouds like this. Definitely the greatest sunset we've ever seen together as a couple.
Together, it's the greatest one I've seen ever.
Me too.
You.
Underestimated how cold it would be.
Definitely. Well, Danny was super casual. Oh, just bring a sweatshirt. And I was like, okay, that's good enough.
Sansa's perfectly tempered right now. What do you have to say for yourself, Sansa? It's so amazing up here.
It's incredible.
Like, I never thought in a million years we'd live in a place where we could just be like, hey, do you want to drive up to the top of a dormant volcano and watch the most epic sunset ever?
It's amazing.
But here we are. All right. Thanks as always for watching, and I love you.